Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for November of 2023. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this should be the Luxe box that I got. So let's see everything that I received. It looks like this box was opened and you can tell that some of my products have been opened, so I'm praying that everything's here because it looked like it had been opened. So the first thing that you have when you open it up is your little icon box. So this is all the products and everything, and it tells you some of the prices on some of the products that you may have received. Okay, so the total value of this month's box is $363, but let's go ahead and see everything that I received in here. Okay, so the first thing that's in the box is this right here, and this is a retinol plus oat milk hyaluronic cream blend. So let me go ahead and open it up. So this is what it looks like. And it is just like a pump on a bottle. Let me see if it has any smell or anything. So it smells like it's just a regular face cream. Okay, I can hear it pumping now. As you can see, that's what it looks like. And it feels like a very kind of like almost, it turns into almost like a water face serum. It kind of looks like it's going to be like a lotion, but it kind of turns into nothing. So that's the first item. The next thing that I received in the box is this right here. So it looks like it's a eyeshadow quad. So let me go ahead and open it up and see everything that comes in here. This is what it looks like. I can peel this off. So that's what it looks like. That's a really pretty quad right there. Let me go ahead and swatch the colors. I don't know why I'm so far back, to be honest with you. So it looks like this is going to be a favorite color of mine. That's like the kind of shadows that I really like to wear. You have this sparkly shade right here. Very pigmented and very smooth. This one right here, which is a pink. And then this one right here, which is a very light color. So you have Pink, Misqueak, Temptation, Earthly Delight, and Forbidden Fruit. So that's what this palette looks like. Very pretty colors. So I will be using this. Next thing that I received in the box, I'm going to go ahead and just take this out since it's already opened. And this is by Avant, and it is a toner, anti-pollution toner. So that's what it looks like. I love me a good toner. So this is the kind it looks like that you just put on a cotton swab and then put it on. I do like the fact that it has this little seal thing right there so that it just doesn't come out when you're not using it, so that you can actually travel with it. So it's just a clear toner. Next thing that's in this box is this right here. It looks like it's by that same brand that the eyeshadow palette was from. And what is it? So this is a mascara. This is what the mascara looks like. I'm going to go ahead and show you. So that's the one. I do not need a mascara right now, so I'm going to save this until I need it and just put it inside my makeup. So I will be using this later. I'm going to just put it over here for now. Actually, I have a few mascaras that I'm not using right now. Next thing that's in the box is this right here. And this is a leave-in conditioning milk. Right there. And it is by Drunk elephant. I've actually used this brand many times before, and I really do like it. Let me see if it has any smell. It kind of smells old, like Play-Doh. You know how something went bad? That's not really fun. Well, now I can tell you the texture. It smells like it's old, like it's an old product. And now I got it all up in my nose. So yeah, it's definitely giving off extreme, like, Play-Doh smells. I'm pretty sure this is old and expired. It says 2042 BC, but I just think that's the label for it. I don't know. Did anybody else get this? And do you think that it's like an old product? Because that's what it smells like a skincare lotion that you forgot about for like years, and then you go to smell it. That's what this smells like. I just have a feeling that it's really old, and that's why they put it in the box. Let me know what you guys think if you received this. Okay. So now that my nose is all jacked up from having that put in my nose, let's go ahead and see the next thing that we actually got. So I see this right here, which is Laura Mercier, and it is a eye color stick in the shade Strike a Rose. Ugh. So that's what this looks like. I will definitely be using this. It looks pretty. So this is what it looks like. It's just a shadow stick. Let's go ahead and draw it right there. It's a pretty, kind of like a rose gold color. So that's what it looks like. I will be using this. So the next thing in the box is this right here, and it is an eye cream with vitamin C. It only has 5% vitamin C and caffeine. Let me go ahead and take this last thing out of the box. I'm just going to set it down because this box is not wanting to stay with me. So I'm not going to open this right now because I don't need an eye cream right at the moment, but I will use this in the future. I love the packaging to this. You see that? It's like a glass. Very nice. It looks like a really nice texture. Let me go ahead and just, if I can get my finger in there, I'm about to use my knuckle. That's what it looks like. So it's a very nice and kind of almost like has a silicone feel to it. Let me see if it smells like. I'm really not picking up a smell from this. So I will be saving this for later. So that's what that looks like. And the last thing that was in the box is this right here. And it is a lip liner trio. Let's see what they look like. These are the colors. This is my type of color. I probably really wouldn't use those ones. So this shade is Right Rena. This one is Pick Perla. And then this one is Bloom Bow. So let me go ahead and try this one on because this looks like it's my type of shade. I'll go ahead and move forward so I can kind of see. It's a lot lighter than it looks. So I like using lighter shades like this if I'm using a lip gloss. So the lip gloss right here. It's actually like a lip oil. But yeah, that's everything that I received in the box. I will be using all of it. I'm not quite sure about this. I don't know if it's good. I'm going to have to research it and see if that's how it's supposed to smell. Because I don't want my hair stinking when I use it, but that's pretty stinky. Yeah, it's pretty stinky. But if it worked, I'd be willing to just put some other like hair perfume in my hair to see how it works. So maybe I'll try it out. It just depends on how it makes my hair smell. Other than that, I will be using everything I got. I don't think it was like the best box that I ever got, especially being a Luxe box, and considering that I spent $60 on it. Kind of expensive, because I probably would not have picked out any of this stuff personally. The only thing that I like a lot is the eyeshadow palette, and then this I will definitely use. The eye cream wasn't bad. The hair things smelled really bad. I do like a toner, but I have a lot of toners right now, so it's not something that I'd really just gravitate to, but it's something that I will end up using in the long run. So, I mean, it's not like anything was really bad. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.